In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change courier in TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll understand exactly what you can and cannot control when it comes to shipping partners and how to check the options available for your store. First, open your TikTok Shop account and sign in as a seller. Once you're in, head to the Orders section. This is where you manage incoming purchases and can see shipping progress once orders are placed. From there, go to Shipping Settings. This is the central place where TikTok Shop shows you the logistics partners connected to your store. Here, you'll see the available couriers that TikTok Shop can use for your shipments. It's helpful to get familiar with this list so you know which carriers are in the mix for your region and product categories. Now, here's the key point. TikTok Shop does not allow sellers to manually choose the courier for each order. Instead, the system automatically assigns a logistics partner. That assignment is based on the buyer's location, your store settings, and the pre-approved TikTok Shop shipping network. Think of it like a smart routing system. When a buyer places an order, TikTok Shop evaluates where the package is coming from and where it's going, then matches it with a courier that's enabled in your network and eligible for that route. Your existing store settings and accurate product information help the system make the best match. Details like your pickup address, the weight and dimensions of your products, and the service coverage in the buyer's area all influence the automatic selection. Because you can't pick carriers manually, the best way to stay in control is to keep your information complete and up to date. Make sure your product weights and dimensions reflect reality and ensure your warehouse or pickup location is correct. This helps minimize delivery issues and increases the chance the system pairs your orders with the most suitable partner in the network. When an order is placed, you'll see which courier was assigned in the order details under the Orders section. That's your confirmation of the route. If you notice patterns, like certain regions consistently using specific partners, use that insight to plan packaging and handling times accordingly. To recap, open TikTok Shop, click Orders, then Shipping Settings to review the couriers available to your shop. Remember, you won't be able to manually choose a different courier for individual orders, since the platform assigns one automatically based on location, your store settings, and TikTok Shop's approved logistics network. Keep your data accurate, check your shipping settings periodically, and you'll be set up for smooth, predictable fulfillment.